Warm welcome to all of you to our YouTube channel Grow to Wealth. This week, December 2021, we are giving very interesting stock suggestions to all of you. We are recommending top rated 10 fundamentally strong stocks to all of you. We analyzed the past 5-year financial performance of these 10 stocks and also the 5 quarters financial performance. We found that these companies have been consistently performing well for the past 5 years. But let us understand that the past performance does not indicate the future performance. To keep up with us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. These stock recommendations are only as per our own research. Equity investments are subject to market risks. These recommendations are only for information purposes. Equity investments can erase all your hard-earned money, so research yourself before investing in equity market. All investors should understand that equity investments are little higher risk, so need higher research and attention to create wealth. Market is trying to recover from Tuesday, but huge selling pressure and profit booking has led to underperformance of market. These are concerns of central bank decisions. Taper tantrum and market is still under correction mode. Bulls are still not entered in the market. Speculators are still hesitant to enter in the market as they are awaiting for further correction in the market. Wholesale price inflation was recorded high and companies are not able to pass on the inflation rate to customers, so this margin is under pressure in the upcoming quarter. So all the stocks are underperformed in the last week. Omicron concerns have also affected the market last week, even though last week's portfolio stocks price decreased but outperformed the stocks compared with Sensex and Nifty by 3.6%. Price analysis. Last week our suggested 10 stocks to your portfolio has given 3% returns over the Nifty 50 underperformance. The data has been given on the previous slide. We recommend that all these stocks, you can keep hold of these stocks in your portfolio. You can watch our previous recommendations on our YouTube channel. We are recommending top 10 fundamentally strong stocks for long-term and short-term investment. APL Apollo Tubes is a large-cap company manufacturing all types of metal pipes for all purposes. This company is the 4th largest steel tube manufacturing company in India. This company has 1500 varieties of products and it commands 50% of the market share. The market share has grown to 50% from 27% within a span of 5 years, FY16 to FY21. This company has ROCE of 27.8%, ROE of 23.6% and ROA of 12.2%. This company has declared positive results in the last 5 quarters and the institutional holding is high at 33.66%. CDSL is the first Indian Central Security Depository and division of SEBI, Ministry of Finance. CDSL was initially promoted by BSE Limited. CSE facilitates holding and transacting securities such as equities, debentures, ETFs, units of mutual funds and many other services in electronic forms. This company has declared 8 consecutive quarters with positive results and its database has grown by 200% within a span of 2 years. The stocks are consistently outperforming every quarter. ROE and ROC is very high. Institutional holding is higher, holding of 39%. Hindalco Industries is a large-cap company engaged in aluminium and its products along with copper and copper products globally and is the largest aluminium manufacturer in India. The stock trading is below intrinsic value and is as of now having the highest aluminium price, will give decent profit margins to the company. Indus Towers is a large-cap company engaged in EPC of wireless communication towers along with operation and maintenance of the towers. Presently, the company is covering 22 telecom circles in India, partnering with Jio, Bharti Airtel, Vodafone and BSNL. Stock is trading below its intrinsic value. Vedanta Limited is a large-cap company engaged in exploring and extracting and processing of oils and gas. It is the largest non-ferrous metal manufacturer in Asia. The company's stock trading is below intrinsic value with low debt and high dividend yield. The company has given highest returns to investors on FY22. KPIT Technologies is a mid-cap company engaged in software support for automobile and mobility industry. The company has given decent returns to its investors. Details of KPIT Technologies is given and the stock trading is below intrinsic value. Titan Company. This company is a large cap company engaged in jewelry, ornaments and wearables with various well-known brands in the country and globally such as Tanishq, Titan, Fastrack, etc. The company has low debt to equity ratio and has a PEG ratio of 0.78%. Infosys Limited is a large cap company and a global leader in technology and consultancy. This company is the second largest Indian IT company. The company provides software development and independent validation services to companies in finance, insurance, manufacturing and other domains. They are handling all tax-related transactions in the country. The company recently ended 8 trillion market cap companies and 4th Indian company in stock market. The company has high institutional holding of 49.1% with high ROE of 27.21% and the highest cash flow in FY21. L&T Infotech Limited is a large cap technological company engaged in consulting and digital solutions. It is a company that provides information and technological services. It offers cloud consultancy, cloud infrastructure assurance, cybersecurity resilience and application management services, as well as Oracle, SAP, Salesforce, Maximo and Microsoft Dynamics 365 solutions. The company provides all types of consulting services to all industrial sectors. The company has high ROE of 29.7%, ROCE of 56.4%, ROA of 19.9%. The stock price is in bullish range. The stock has given 97% of returns within 1 year to investors. Persistent Systems Limited is a large cap company providing software engineering and strategy services to help a company modernize their business. The company delivers service across of product lifecycle which engages them to work with wide range of customers and allows them to develop, enhance, deploy their customers' software products. The company also engaged in business of telecom and wireless infrastructures and wirings, life science and healthcare. The company has average ROE of 16.1%, ROCE of 21.2%. Data shows high institutional holding of 47%, increasing positive cash flow in the last few years with low debt. Next week, we will recommend some other stocks for your portfolio. Thank you for watching.